Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to Tripan Study Center. We are going to do today is very important MCQ which will be a very important for the exam point of view. And it will be important for this competitive exam. Let's see what is our topic today. MCQ. The next question arrive here, that's important. Our question is clear here. Which is the most powerful organ of the UNA? That's important. Which is the most powerful organ of the UNA? First, UNGA. Second, UNICEF. And three, UNICEF. And four, UNSC. That's important. First of all, test your knowledge. I give you few seconds for you. You know that you must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer of this question here. The question is clear. Which is the most powerful organ of UNA? You know that that's important question here. UNGA, that's important organization here. UNICEF is also important. UNICEF is also. But the answer is fourth, UNSC. UNSC is the most important organization that is the most powerful for the UNA. The maximum decision making or taking for there is a UNSC here. It means it is the most powerful. The option is 4. UNC is the most important powerful organ of UNA. And let's see next question here. Next question arrive here, that's important. And question here, how many main organs are there in the UNA? How many main organs are there in the UNA? The A 7, B 8, C 6 and D 4. What? But test your knowledge first of all. And I give you 5 seconds. Note your notebook for the right answer. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer to this question. The question is clear here. How many main organs are there in the UNA? The most important question here. You understand there is a 5 organ. That's nothing here. 5, the option is nothing is giving here. The option A7, B8, D4. The right answer is here C6. C6 is the most important answer here. It means to 6 main organs are there in the UNA. That's important. And let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. The question is important here. When was the World Bank created? You know that when was the World Bank created? That's important question. Option is here. 1, 1967, second is 1947, and third 1945, and 4, 1946. You know that here is the most important, and 3 options there is a nearby, but 1 is a different. It means there is a most important. It means to 1967 they eliminate here. It's a very different. Only 3, 47, 45, 46. That's important. The 1, 96, 96, 67, they eliminate. But first of all, choose you answer for this question. I give you few seconds for you. Note of notebook. You must have a thought of your answer. You know that the question is clear here. When was the World Bank created? The directly question here. Directly question. The World Bank created here 1945. 1945. The World Bank created here 1945. Answer 3 is correct here. The next question arrive here, that's important. The question here, when was WTO set up? World Trade Organization set up. When was the World Trade Organization set up? Option is the 1995, second 1954, 39045, and 4 is a 2000. You know that the question is very different here. World Trade Organization. You know that's important. First of all, I give you few seconds for you. Test your knowledge and note your notebook. You must have thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer this question here. The question is clear. When was the World Trade Organization set up? You know that the answer is directly here. Answer is directly is 1995. That's one is the correct answer. 1995. There's a World Trade Organization set up. That's important answer for this question here. Next question arrive here. That's important. And question here. Who was the first woman president of the UNA General Assembly? That's an important question here. Who was the first woman president of the UNA General Assembly? A option is Sarojini Naidu, B. Aruna Asaf Ali, C. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, D. Rajkumari Amrita Kaur. The option is most important here. I give you few seconds. Test your knowledge first of all and note your notebook also. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer of this question here. The question is clear here. Who was the first woman president of the UNA General Assembly? Sarojini Naidu, there is nothing here. Aruna Asaf Ali is nothing here. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit is the right answer here. C. Vijay Pandit Lakshmi is a C correct answer here. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit is the first woman president of UNA General Assembly. That's important. C is correct answer here.